Hello there, welcome to my channel. My recent research has led me to a business that has a huge potential of helping you make some good money every month. Now, let me be honest with you. For you to make money from any business, you have to put in some level of work. That's a basic fact. Okay, but this particular business, even as a beginner who do not even know what you are doing, you are definitely going to make some money. But if you are someone who knows exactly what you are doing, and if you follow the steps I am going to outline in this video, I can assure you that you are going to make anything from ₦1,000,000 monthly. This is certain, because the potential, the market, the opportunity, and the demand in this particular business is crazy at the moment. And it's going to be crazy for a very long period of time, because this is a product that is constantly in demand and it's always fashionable. Okay, with better understanding of how the internet works, okay, and then of course of how emotions plays a role in how people make decisions, how people buy things and stuff like that, making money online has become way easier than before. This is the basic truth. Yeah, if you have a smartphone, if you have a brain in your head, and if you have laptop, and then you have access to the internet, the truth is nothing can stop you from making good money, living a great life, and spending some quality time with your loved ones. And that's why I'm making this video, to show you or reveal to you one simple business that is guaranteed to help you make some good money monthly if you do it rightly. Remember, if you do it rightly. So I'll ask you to please give this video a thumbs up. That's all I would request from you. Like this video so that more people get to see my video. If you're new to my channel and you'd like to see more content about business, advertising, making money online, general stuff like that, you may consider subscribing to this channel, and also turn on the bell icon so you get to be among the first people to be notified whenever I publish videos. So guys, without wasting time, let's dive in. This is the business. This business, pants, male pants, female pants. Now I'm going to show, we'll go on Facebook. Right now, we're going to do some practical, because I want to take you somewhere. I want to take you through a process so that you understand how visible and how much opportunity and how the market is huge for this kind of business. Now look at the design. This is not your regular normal chinos trouser or just kind of plain trouser. These are plain pants, but it looks classy, it looks magnificent. The demand, the craze for stuff like this is it's mental, it's on the increase. Look at this. In Lagos, they sell this stuff for 25,000 naira. You know me, I always find out these things, and I have a plug for all this different stuff. But guess what? My plug sells this thing for way, way, way lesser than that. I'm going to tell you all about it. So let's jump on Facebook now to see if we can find this pant stuff anywhere. Okay, pants Lagos, pants products, clothing store. This is products and services. Let's see these people. Oh wow, nice one. Nice one then. And look at amazing stuff here. Oh, we did not even go far. See the price. 25K. 25K. Nice product here. Fantastic work. See the finishing, see the details, see how neat. People are going crazy to have this stuff these days. Why? I don't know. But there's a way you can make money off the craze. These are amazing designs. If you ask me, these are amazing designs. Lovely stuff. Okay, So no much talk. We have seen the price. The price is 25,000 naira. And then worldwide shipping for these guys. Okay. Okay. Yes, shirt 20K, the pants 25,000. The same people. Amazing, amazing stuff. This is the same trouser I showed you here. Pay attention. This is the same pant here. Okay. Here, this one. That's this design. That's this design. But that's not where we're going to. Just pay attention. Are these guys running adverts? Let's find out. Okay. Let's see if they have any advert running. It will be disappointing if they don't have any advert running. Let's check out their adverts. One result. They have one advert running. They have one advert running. Okay, I think that's the product we just checked out. They have one advert running. So this is it. Available in all sizes, worldwide shipping via DHL Express, price 25,000 naira. Okay, this advert is running where? Running only on Instagram. Okay, so they don't have any advert running on Facebook. The advert is just active on just Instagram. So there's a massive opportunity on Facebook for you who's watching me now to come and clear the money. Amazing stuff. 25,000. So you see, at this stuff, people are selling it for what? 25,000 naira online because it's Lagos. I don't know how much I sell it in Abuja. It might be the same 25 or it can be above. But with 25K here, you are assured that, I mean, from Lagos point of view, this should be nationwide because they offer worldwide delivery, they offer global delivery. So they can offer to any part of the world, which means that if you're in Abuja, Benin, Edo, wherever you are, you're going to buy it at the same 25,000 naira from them. What if you find a supplier, find a tailor, a fashion person who can produce this same stuff for you for lesser price? Now, when I was doing my research, because I needed to sell this thing to be sure that it works, and I actually went ahead to do the research, got everything together, and I confirmed that there is demand, there is craziness, and there is amazing opportunity in the market for this product. So get how much I got it. Let me show you. And this was the chat I had with my supplier. This guy is in Aba because that's where most of these things. Nigeria is blessed. We have everything we need, but we're not paying attention to it. So I asked him some questions and I asked him to send me a sample. No samples, so he sent these samples. This same product I just showed you now, right? This is it here. This is it here. So he sent the sample. I said, okay, good. How much? So I know if I will go ahead, if I will go for it or suspend it. He said 15,000 naira each. Simple. 15K each, which means that, and I've not priced though. I've not done any negotiation yet. This is just the normal price he gave to me. If I negotiate, I might even buy it. If I'm going to make much, I might buy it for 12,000. I might get it for 12, for 13, for 14. But let's leave it at 15,000. So let's assume, for instance, you find a tailor in Aba who makes these things for you at the price of 15,000, and then they will bill it to you to Lagos, and they're selling for 25,000. Ideally, you will say that your profit is 10,000, right? But that's wrong. That's not your profit because you have to calculate the cost of everything, cost of the stress, cost of chatting, cost of subscribing, cost of way bill, all these things. So let's say at the end of the day, your profit is 6,000 naira on one. Okay? One thing you have to pay attention to is the quality of the material. The quality of the material. So for the people selling 25,000 in Lagos, you can go ahead and buy one from them. Then for your plug who is in Aba or who is wherever, your plug might even be in Balogun Market, Lagos Island. you also go ahead and ask them to make one for you with the best materials. Then you receive the two, you compare the materials, you will see that it is absolutely the same material, and one, you're getting it lesser. Why? Because you're getting it directly from where it's been done. Yeah. No, shout out to these people who are doing these things. I'm not trying to take away the fact that yes, they are doing an amazing job, but what this is business, right? So you can get these things lesser from somewhere. This is my chart with my plug now. He's in Aba. He's the one that makes my clothes, most of my clothes, most of the abada, the senator wear that I. He's the one that makes most of them. Most of his customers are in Lagos. Most celebrities in Lagos are his clients. He has an office in Lagos, right? But his manufacturing base is in Aba, where he has a lot of manufacturing stuff that that sew. He's a sewer, he's a tailor. So he sews these clothes, he tailors them neatly and brings them to Lagos to his customers. So for instance, if I pay him 15,000 naira, then if I'm selling one at 25,000, then I'm making 6,000 naira for a profit. If you now want to sell it, you can make up an offer. You can add something like a stockings, cufflinks, handbag, whatever it is. Create an offer around this. So when they buy for 25K, they get something extra for free. So what you need to do is to find a plug who will produce for you at a lesser price. Then you can bring it online and sell at a higher price. This is local arbitrage. This is the same e-commerce that we preach. But you think that e-commerce is about selling different kind of selling products like this, like that. You can recreate. That is why I said if you have the active brain, you can recreate stuff. You can tweak stuff and make money from anything. People see problems, you should begin to see opportunities. Okay? While you are selling your own, you can even introduce MOQ. If you want, you can introduce MOQ. The minimum order you can buy should be 3. The minimum order is, minimum order quantity, MOQ. So that people will know that, okay, I'm buying 3. Then they can select different designs and you tell them how many days it will take for the work to be delivered. They pay you, of course. They can pay ahead. They can pay a certain percentage because this is how it works. And then once the work is delivered, they pay. Or they pay you before the work is delivered. Simple like that. I've bought stuff. When I buy this stuff, I pay ahead before they even deliver. They say that some people say it takes 48 hours. Some people say 4 working days. You pay for it. You give them your measurement, and that's it. So you have to ensure you use good quality. Ensure you use good quality products, good quality materials to deliver this exquisite product, because that would guarantee customer satisfaction and referrals. People are going to refer people to you because they are happy doing business with you, and what they got from you was amazing. You see shoes, you see footwear for men, and these pants. It is a business it is a money bank business if you know how to do it. One, for you to make a lot of money in this business, you have to know, you have to be able to make an offer. You must learn how to craft good offers. Secondly, you must have a have quality products. Thirdly, learn how to advertise. Learn how to make your own creative and advertise. Simple like that. Then sort out your deliveries. Once you have done these 4 things, make an offer, have quality products, learn how to advertise, sort your delivery. Once you do these 4 things, every month you should be making some. You'll be balling. You will not be a mechanic. You'll be balling. You'll be a baller. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Please, if you have any question, feel free to ask me. I'll be happy to answer you. Like this video, share it with as many you know who find it helpful. Leave a comment if you have any question. I'll be happy to answer your questions too. You can follow me on Twitter. You can follow me on Instagram at Courage Ngele. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.